What's going on, guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe and smash that little notification button. And yeah, so we just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Oh, my good buddy Steven over at Hiking Deep. Again, sending me some awesome gear that I'll be using in my next video. And probably a lot more videos after that, because I still use a lot of the gear I get sent from him. He's an awesome subscriber, and I'm glad to call him my friend now. So, without further ado, let's get into it. There we go. Using my Spyderco Resilient knife. Thing's sharp. If you guys like this knife, wait till you see the giveaway. Oh boy. Oh boy. Do we have some good stuff in here? Woo. Nice little cooler pack right here. Sweet. Some awesome glow-in-the-dark paracord. Gotta love that. What fell out? Oh, the most important thing. Black and white Firestarter. Heck yeah. It's gonna be good on like a day like today where it's been raining non-stop and I might need a little oomph to go ahead and get my fire going. What else we got in here? Some more of the glow-in-the-dark. This is 100 feet of the paracord. Oh, a nice REI pot. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's gonna get some use. That's nice. And we have here a nice little tin container. It's pretty heavy. Let's see. Oh my goodness, we got some more black and white Firestarter stuff. We got some what looks to be like a sawdust material. Oh, a nice little knife, a little pouch. Ooh, look at that little Miltech knife. That thing is awesome, guys. Looks just like my SE Azula knife that I have. That's a mix between SE and Spyderco. Nice little finger saw right here. Sweet. Some more of the black and white cotton ball Firestarters. And from here, oh wow, we got some more tinder. And we got some rope, some tinder rope. Nice, nice. And some fat wood. It looks like we got some birch bark on the bottom. Nice, nice haul here. Let's take a look at this ferro rod, shall we? Nice and thick. Nice little, for the striker, it's a nice little, like, ruler and stuff, multi-purpose. Oh, yeah, there we go. She works. Awesome. Thank you, Steven, over at Hiking Deep. Like I said, he's a really good supporter. Glad to call him my friend, and yeah, it was nice. Like I said, I just got off work, and it is a nice little package to come to. Thanks again, Steven. I appreciate it, man.